because I am going to meet somebody who I have admired since childhood and I really love the hamper. It's too cute. Being a businesswoman, I am not going to leave a chance to promote my brand. I'm telling you, you're missing out on something. It's the 500th show of the play. Hi you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Nehal. If you're new to my channel, I would be really glad if you could just take out 2 seconds of your time and subscribe to my channel below. तो आज की वीडियो बहुत बहुत ज्यादा स्पेशल है because I am going to meet somebody who I have admired since childhood. अभी तक आपको टाइटल और थंबनेल देके पता ही पड़ गया होगा कि मैं किससे मिलने वाली हूँ. I am going to meet Mr. Anupam Kher today, and I thought that why not use this opportunity and vlog for you guys. So basically, Anupam Kher is coming to Jaipur today. He is performing in a play called Kuch Bhi Ho Sakta Hai, and in Jaipur today, it's the 500th show of the play, and I'm also getting an opportunity to meet him personally before the show, which I feel very, very grateful for. And I can't tell you how good I'm feeling about it because Mr. Kher is somebody who I have genuinely admired. And I'm not saying this because I'm going to meet him today, but I just admire the kind of person, the kind of actor that he is. And since I'm getting this opportunity today, I feel so good and overwhelmed. Honestly, मुझे मेरे journalism days की याद आ गई because I remember I used to have this exact same feeling before meeting every celebrity because I used to go and interview them and मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता था. I think I am actually meant for this and I totally enjoyed my time. So for those of you who don't know, a couple of years back I was working with this newspaper in Jaipur and I was actually heading the newspaper and I used to go and interview all the celebrities that used to come to Jaipur, चाहे वो किसी event के लिए हो या चाहे वो अपनी film promote करने आते हो. So I met quite a few people. I've met Tiger Shroff, I've met Ananya Pandey, Tara Sutaria, Vidya Balan, Govinda, Simi Grewal, Ranvijay Singh, and a lot of other people. मैं और ज़्यादा photos explore करती हूँ and I'll just put it here so that you can see how much I love doing this. And today I'm meeting Mr. Kher, which is actually bringing back a lot of memories. So yeah, I'm very, very excited for this. And also, guys, if you haven't watched Tanvi the Great, I'm telling you, you're missing out on something. So it's a film by Mr. Anupam Kher. It was released, I think, last July. It was in the theaters for quite a long time, but unfortunately, I did not get a chance to see it in the theater. But recently, the film has tied hands with Amazon Prime, and you can watch it on Prime. I watched it last night, and I cannot tell you what a beautiful movie it is. So it's basically about a girl who's autistic, and she wants to be like her father. Her father was in the Indian Army, and it's just so beautiful. There were such small details that literally made me go like, wow. And since I'm from this field, मेरा actually ध्यान बाकी छोटी छोटी चीजों पे जाता है than the acting. So इसमें बहुत beautiful और बहुत छोटे छोटे moments थे जो शायद एक general audience को शायद वो चीज पता नहीं पड़े, but वो I mean, it was just so beautifully portrayed. And another reason why I'm actually excited to meet him today is so that I can just, praise him for this beautiful film personally, which I feel is a very, very big deal for me. And yeah, I am going to make a nice hamper for him. Being a businesswoman, I am not going to leave a chance to promote my brand. So we're actually curating like a nice hamper for him. This is what we have finalized. अब ये पूरा नहीं है, इसमें और थोड़ी सी डेकोरेशन आनी बाकी है. मैं आपको फाइनल हैम्पर भी दिखाऊंगी. But yeah, I am creating like a nice hamper for him. I'm going to be meeting him before the show, and I really hope that he likes it. So I'm just gonna go head to work क्योंकि मुझे आज जल्दी निकलना है ऑफिस से because I have to go attend his play. So yeah, I am going to see you in a while. So the hamper is finally ready, and let me show you what it looks like. So this is what the hamper looks like. I feel it looks very, very pretty. So we have the poster of the movie. We have a little congratulations. We have Prime Video ka logo and a little letter from my side, and then movie ka logo, and then we have like nice namkeens that we have, and then that's our famous patpat kachori. We have 4 different things right here. We have a digestive, we have a mouth freshener, we have a lot of other things, and then we have almond biscotti right here, and a little decoration here and there. And I really love the hamper. It's too cute. I hope he likes it. Yeah, so this is something from my brand Rajasvi for you. These are all our items, and I really wish that you snack up on them and Remember Me. I watched the movie last night and it was just so wholesome. It was so beautiful.
Is it set it with entertainment?
Yes, it did. Yes, I cried. I laughed. It was fun. It was overwhelming, and it was beautiful. It was too beautiful to watch.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
thank-
I made it for Tanvi. That's so
Yes,
amazing.
yes, I did.
Oh, wonderful. I'll tell her. I'll tell Shubhangi.
Yes.
She
Oh,
is
she
just-
acted really well.
अरे अनुपम, जब से तुम्हें देखा है मेरी रातों की नींद उड़ गई है और दिन का करार चला गया है। बहुत ही फिल्मी ढंग की चिट्ठी थी। मैं आर्य के घर ना जाऊं। तू भी तो इंद्र बनकर हाले आर्य के पास गया था। नहीं जाऊंगा। तुम क्यों ये बादल कर जा रहा है? क्यों ये बारिश गिरा रहा है? मैं तो जाऊंगी। मैं तो जाऊंगी। रिचर्ड एटनबरा किसी के कंधे पर हाथ रख के कह रहा है, मैं एक आम और छोटा आदमी हूँ यार। अपनी गली, अपना मोहल्ला बस यही मेरा। पर उनकी बात सही थी। उन दिनों रात को पार्टी में गागल पहनकर जाना, शर्ट के 3-4 बटन खुले रखना, सफेद कपड़े पहना, ये बहुत चलता था। उन्होंने कहा, मिस्टर खेर, शिफ्ट योर फोकस ऑन योर फेस, योर फेशियल पैरालिसिस।
Hi, you guys. So it's the next day, and yesterday was so wholesome. It was so nice. Mr. Kher is such a humble person, and his show was fab. It was basically a biographical drama of his own life, and it was so beautiful. It was so inspiring. जो actually दिखता है वो होता नहीं है. And the best part is that it was his 500th play. He started off this play in July 2003. So he's been doing this show since then. He's been inspiring a lot of people through the story of his life, and it was just so beautiful. And meeting him was just something else. He really appreciated the hampo. He really appreciated the gesture. And honestly, मैं इतने लोगों से मिली हूँ, but इतने humble नहीं होते हैं लोग. Yes, they're grounded, but not so humble. And he was just too sweet. So अभी मैं वीडियो बैठ के एडिट कर रही थी, and I realized कि मैंने outro नहीं shoot किया था. So consider this my outro, and I really hope that you enjoyed the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Until then, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you.